Hey guys, what's up? It's me, back at it with another video for you guys on the Rubik's Cube Let's Play. A lot of you complained about the video being boring or lackluster, not having like music, so I got some bopping background music for you guys to listen to while I do the Let's Play how to solve video here. So let's just get right into that. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is you got to understand the fundamentals of solving a Rubik's Cube, and you can't have, like, you're going to get from this to this. Like, that's what we're doing here. Apparently some of you were confused about that, and I don't really know how else to explain it. So this is just what, from this to that, alright? So in today's video, we're just going to, we were here last time, we're just going to come over here, and we're just gonna move this piece here, and then we're gonna move it back, and then like this over here, and this that way, and then just pull this piece down, and then just pull this piece over here, and then you just gotta. There. And now we're even closer to realizing our dreams of solving a Rubik's Cube. Take care, Hassan.